Listen, slow your heart for a moment, because God is speaking directly to you. God says, I'm about to restore everything you thought was lost. You buried it in your heart. You stopped talking about it. You told yourself, it will never come back. The dream, the joy, the relationship, the years you felt were wasted, the parts of you that broke quietly. But God says, nothing you placed in my hands is ever truly lost. You thought time stole it. You thought failure erased it. You thought betrayal destroyed it. But God says, I allowed the loss so I could bring restoration with purpose. What left your life did not leave God's sight. Every tear you cried was counted. Every prayer you whispered was stored. Every sacrifice you made was remembered. You thought heaven was silent, but heaven was working. God says, I am not restoring you to who you were. I am restoring you to who I always intended you to become. What I return will carry wisdom you didn't have before. What I restore will bring peace instead of pressure. What I rebuild will stand stronger than what once existed. You lost joy. I will restore it deeper. You lost confidence. I will restore it stronger. You lost time. I will redeem it suddenly. You lost hope. I will restore it unshakable. This is not a small restoration. This is not partial healing. This is not a temporary fix. God says, I am about to restore beyond what you imagined. Where there was emptiness, there will be overflow. Where there was confusion, there will be clarity. Where there was mourning, there will be dancing. Where there was silence, there will be testimony. People will look at your life and ask, how did you recover from that? And your answer will be simple. Only God. So lift your head, strengthen your faith, release the pain of the past. Because God says, what you thought was lost was only paused, and the restoration that is coming will prove that I never forgot you. Get ready. Your season of restoration has begun.